Welcome to the worst part of my backyard. This space is dangerous. It's ugly and it's never been properly used. It just became storage, a place to hide things. Eventually, I'd love to have a large deck, especially under this tree, but that's not in the budget for now. So in the meantime, I had this idea to use things I already had, with the exception of a few plants, everything I already own. You'll see me upcycle furniture, shop my own yard, clean up, and bring everything together to make this space more inviting, like a European bistro. So let's get into it. This space has seen many versions of itself, from what it looked like when we first moved in. Then I primed the area thinking I would paint it, but never did. Then we demoed this cinder block wall, which was really dangerous, but left a huge hole in the fence. Just before we did that, I had made a gate to keep my dog and the chickens out, but once that cinder block wall came down there, it made that gate totally ineffective. The reason this area of my yard is so important is because it sits right outside of our ADU. It's under this big shade tree that we love. It sits right next to my garden where I spend a lot of my time. Even though it looks terrible, it's a spot we actually spend a lot of time. Right here, I'm removing this shelf that was once holding up this AC cover that was put in by the previous owners. We never needed it, and it's been sitting here for over 4 years, so this day I finally removed it. With that taken care of, it got me excited to move on to the next project, which is taking care of this big blank wall. I actually already had this trellis. I was going to use it for another project. And I thought by adding this trellis and having the grapes climb up this wall would add to the bistro feel and give this blank wall some interest and life. These two projects alone got me so excited to work on the rest of this makeover. So next step was giving everything a good clean. You might have noticed that I already had this lounge chair. It's lived in a few different places of my yard. I probably should just replace this cushion, but I don't want to do that. I just am going to give it a little clean. I got some of the mold areas out. It looks a lot better, but it's not great. And please make sure to turn over your furniture and check for spiders. That's all I'm going to say here. I also wanted to add a couple functional pieces. And you can't have a European bistro without a place to sit and enjoy a meal. Luckily, I already had one, but this was clearly sitting in a neglected part of my yard. With a really good clean, some spray paint, and an old shower curtain, this will totally transform. It used to look like this when I got it. Then I spray painted it yellow and upholstered it. This was the look I was going for, but turns out the rest of the yard were going for more of a neutral, like European style. Although I love the yellow and it looked great still, I would have kept it. Just wasn't the look I was going for anymore. So after some careful cleaning, I removed all the cushions. I'm actually using a shower curtain. I'll use this striped section. I'm removing all the staples. I went really, really slow, and there were still spiders. So I did my best to remove what I could. It was taking forever. So I'm just going to keep some of this fabric on here. And then in order to keep the spiders out, I attached this backing to it, and then I'm going to Scotch guard it. After using the shower curtain I already had, I'm using spray paint I already had, and this was a free project. Reusing this 4x4 post I already had. I used this to hang a shade sail. Ended up taking that down to put in some grass, which is a much better use of space. But I've kept this 4x4 post to reuse, and I'm using it as a support for the rest of this fence. Even though it closes off the space, it actually feels like it gives it a purpose. To make a few adjustments to make this wire sit a little closer to the cement. Had to get a better angle from so I redid it a few times. It looks really good. Now I get to start tying this space back together. First step is adding back in this rug that I already had. This is a fully outdoor rug. It is plastic, but I like it because it's really easy to clean. This cement pad is crooked, so it doesn't fully fit. So I just folded over some corners. I think it really makes the whole bistro feel, and it kind of elevates a essentially ugly area. Now come with me to rescue these boxwoods. I have a boy dog who marks everything, so they weren't safe over here anymore. And in order to keep them alive, I will be reusing them in pots. I also found this hanging strawberry basket on a discount because it came broken. I'm going to put it in a cuter hanging basket, but before that I'm going to pull apart a plant or two to put in separate pots so that I have more strawberries. start by adding everything back in. I'm walking around my yard and taking some things from other places, like this bench, planter, a hook for hanging basket, an umbrella, what I've cleaned up, and adding some final touches to really bring this vision to life. To remind you, here's what it looked like before. It was neglected, it was storage, an afterthought, but it was used all the time. To what it looks like now. I hope this gives you a little inspiration to find a space in your yard and rethink it. Thanks for watching.